Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Porsche of Nashua, we have the 2018 Porsche Panamera 4 e-hybrid. Yeah, it's good. Adjustable spoiler, you have your badge trim in acid green calipers, a back seat area that's second to none. I've driven the Turbo Executive and a 4S e-hybrid, and I'm a big fan of all of them. Dual panoramic roof. Oh, even the Sport Chrono clock is acid green. Needles are acid green. Oh, so. Hopefully you guys can see. Keep button pressed to retract spoiler. Huh, it's fine. Let's go for a drive. We're in sport mode. When we get to our acceleration right here, I'll put it into sport response. I had just filmed a Macan S, and I said, you know what? I want a Macan. Yeah, let's get a Macan. This is good. This is more my style. So when you push the sport response button, it's basically all hands on deck for the engine. Transmission saying, all right, we want peak power. Let's give them peak power. You have 20 seconds of sport response. And that is game changing. I like that too. When you turn on climate control and all that, it opens and closes the vents. Right now I have it set at 62 with no fan, and I'm still getting cool air, so it's nice. I will say these seats are super comfortable for long journeys. Why does Porsche have to make every car good? Just why? For example, if I push sport response right here on the highway, gonna give the car everything. It's gonna drop it into the lowest gear and just be an animal. Keep in mind, this is the e-hybrid, yes, but other than that, this is a performance-wise, other than the addition of the e-hybrid, it's a base Panamera 4. This isn't the S. This isn't the GTS. This isn't the Turbo. That's not a lane. There you go. If I get it out. And yet you still get a good amount of power. Again, e-hybrid's faster, I get it. I want to try some paddles. Plus, see if that helps. There they are. Why do they have to make everything good? Alright, so don't downshift into first. PDK does not like that. Oh, Porsche. You make good cars. You make very good cars. I don't want it. I need it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.